welcome back to my channel. So today I woke up a little late today, but I just pulled up to the gym. I'm just gonna do like a quick workout because it's raining like really bad out here, and I just want to make this kind of quick and easy. Plus it's like 51 degrees out here. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do like a quick workout. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can in there, and then from there I'm gonna go ahead and head out, and then we're just gonna finish my day. I'm not gonna be able to do too much today, but I'm gonna also do a meal prep, so that'll be great, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm a meal prep. I think I'm gonna do tilapia this time because the last time I did salmon and I think tilapia at the same time. So but I don't know what else I'm gonna do. We'll see what I come up with. But yeah, so go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I made it back home, and I've decided to go ahead and make me a small snack before I start meal prepping, because both the fish that I've taken out is still frozen, so I have that defrosting. But for the time being, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this salad, which it was like leftovers from yesterday. So of course you have your baby tomatoes in there and also some purple onion. I do incorporate dry cranberries in mine. Also banana. I do eat the banana like separate from my salad. I did run out of balsamic vinaigrette, but I just chose Olive Garden Italian. And then I have 2 eggs. Either I boil it and I just go ahead and chop it up in my salad, or I just make one big omelet out of 2 eggs and I still, mix it up in there. Either way, whatever I feel like doing. And then I'm still always going to use my organic olive oil. I absolutely love this stuff. And my nonstick pan. So we're just going to go ahead and start a small snack and go from there. Okay, so now we're on to the meal prep. So I have 3 fish in this container with Mrs. Dash lemon pepper on top of it. I previously made 1 fish yesterday, so I'm just gonna add that to my meal prep for today. So it's really gonna be about 4 meals. Now I also have HEB mixed vegetables, and I also have my favorite organic oil, and also my non-stick pan here. The oil is already in there, so I'm getting it ready. And then over here I have my pot with water in it, which I'm going to bring to boil, and I'm going to put my mixed vegetables inside of there. So keep watching. So I had to pour out a little bit of water. You don't want too much water in your pot whenever you are making your mixed vegetables. You just want it like barely covering the top. So, but yeah, this is what I'm gonna have. And this is gonna be split up within the 4 containers I'm gonna have. So this is the finished look for all 4 of my meals for 4 days.